Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the viral trend in creating your internet bedroom Spotify. So if you see on TikTok, there are lots of this bedroom Spotify trend video. And if you want to create one, this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just open your browser and then just go to this page right here, made on first. Okay, just type in made on first and you'll see. Okay, so you need to go to this page. If you cannot find it on a Google search here, you can just type in madeonfirst.com on your browser like this. So by using this page, you can make your internet bedroom. Here you can choose between Spotify or Apple Music. And here you can, I'm going to just click on Spotify. Here you just need to log into your Spotify account. Okay, after you log in here, you can just scroll down and then tap on agree. Now just wait until the Madden first analyzing your music, designing your room, and loading up your tracks. So after a few minutes, this is how your room look like. So apparently my bedroom is a pop princess, so this is my internet bedroom. There are like some poster of the artist that I listen a lot on Spotify. There's some snake on it, or this laptop and radio and everything. Here you can also customize it if you want to, or you can just click this save and share, click on save image, and then you can share it to your TikTok, for example. So that's how you can create your internet bedroom Spotify. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.